Okay, so if you guys saw Robbie's last video, he pranked me so much that I just got fed up with it and left.
Wait, I'm leaving, dude! I've had enough! Stop, don't go! Stop! Chris, stop! No!
I guess we could say that this one works. Now I feel like it's time to go back, but I'm not ready to tell Robbie that yet. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to sneak back into the office and pull some pranks on Robbie and see how long I can prank him without him realizing that I'm here. If you didn't see that video, there's a whole playlist of our prank wars. All right, let's go sneak in. I'll go up there so you can hear it too. You hear this?
Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Robbie.
Okay, it's perfect. He's filming and he doesn't know I'm here. Okay, we're in. Okay, so Robbie's filming right now. He doesn't know I'm here. And I think what I'm gonna do is when he takes a break from filming, I'm gonna sneak in there and steal all his batteries. I'm taking the batteries out of his mouse, out of his camera, out of the microphone that's on his camera. And if I happen to see his phone, because he always leaves it lying around, I'm gonna turn the flashlight on so that it drains the battery and that dies too. I'm gonna put my hidden camera in the room so we can catch his reaction when he realizes all his electronics are dead at the same time. Now we just wait. Waiting. Okay, Robbie took a break from filming and he's downstairs eating some lunch. So this is the perfect time for me to go in and steal all the batteries in the filming room. Let's go. Okay, first we'll do the computer mouse. Then we'll take the battery out of his camera and the mic. Then we'll pop the other ones. Okay, now I'm gonna take the batteries out of the TV remote. All right, okay, here's the hidden camera. Here's the other hidden camera. I'm gonna go find a place to hide. Later that day.
There we go.
He's in there, he's trying to film.
It's not turning on. Why is it turning on? Oh! There's no battery. There we go. Okay. Okay, good. Looks good. There's no battery in my microphone. What the heck? Okay. That's so weird. I don't remember taking that out. Okay. Well. Okay. Oh, whatever. My name is Robbie, and today we're gonna.
All right, I'm just gonna keep following him around because obviously there's more batteries missing. So now we just wait. Even more later that day.
Let's get some work done. Now that Chris is gone, I don't know what to do. Who keeps stealing my batteries? Who keeps taking my batteries? Where are my batteries?
Later that day.
Okay, let's watch some Rick and Morty. Watch some Rick and Morty. What's wrong with this thing? Ah! There's no more batteries in the whole house. Who can steal my
so Robbie's in there trying to get some work done. And I'm gonna start shooting him with this Nerf gun. I know at this point he's probably gonna realize I'm here, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. Let's shoot him.
You're back?
I'm back, dude.
Chris! Get back here!
Dude! Payback! You've been pranked! Dude, you've been pranked! Yeah, it's empty.
ammo.
It's empty. Yeah, anyways.
Why did you get back?
Like yesterday, I just thought I would come back
You've
to
been
work.
here since yesterday?
Yeah. Sorry I didn't.
Wait, are you the one doing all this stuff?
What stuff?
What are you talking about?
I haven't done anything.
You've been stealing my batteries.
I haven't done anything. I haven't done any work either. No, yeah, okay, maybe I did a couple things, all right?
I've been pranked. Well, that was a good one.
I'll be in my office now, so if you need me.
Okay, so you're thinking, okay,
Okay, so I am back at work today, but I've decided every time I walk in and out of a room, I'm just gonna slam the door as hard as I can and see how long it takes to get on Robbie's nerves.
Yo, Robbie?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, you needed me for something?
No, I'm good. No, I'm good, dude.
Oh, I thought you needed me in here.
No, that's fine.
You sure?
Why'd you slam?
Oh, I was just shutting the door. I thought you wanted to talk to me.
No, I'm okay.
Okay, all right, I'll see you later then.
Okay.
You want me to shut this?
Sure.
All right.
Okay, so for this next prank, I'm gonna be filling up a bunch of Solo cups with water and leaving them right outside the doorway of Robbie's office. So he's gonna kind of be stuck in there. Let's fill these up. Okay, we're all set. I think it's time to call Robbie out.
Hey, Robbie! Hey, dude, what's going on, man? Can you come here for a sec?
Am I supposed to ignore these?
Oh, what? Oh, I don't know what that is.
I'm like really. Do I drink these?
If you're thirsty, you can drink them. It's toilet water. Just kidding, it's not toilet water. Yo, can you come out here though? Just Oh. Wait. Dang, dude, you got some long steps. How did you? I thought you were gonna spill them. I thought the carpet was gonna get all wet for sure. Like, I thought you were gonna like go like this or something. Oh! Oh, dang, dude, the carpet is soaked. What?
I'm so confused. I don't understand this prank at all.
All right. See ya.
At the end of the day, Robbie and I decided to talk things out. It's always good to be able to apologize and be honest with your friends.
You deserved it. Wow. Okay, so you're thinking, so you're gonna go back to your office? We're not. You're thinking, okay, so
It was a very deep and meaningful conversation. We talked things out, and we decided it would be best if we made a prank truce and stopped pranking each other for now.
So you're gonna go back to your office? We're not pranking each other anymore?
All right, prank truce.
But little does he know, I had my fingers crossed. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps my channel out a lot. If you want to see more pranks, there's a whole playlist dedicated to me and Robbie pranking each other, which you can watch and get caught up, or just rewatch if you've seen all of them already. I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.